Are you lovely people? The Zontes Kidden 150cc has been released. Obviously, there's going to be a 125cc for Europe. I've got some specs for you here. So I've got some specs for you here about the bike. The weight of the bike is 138 kilos. The fuel capacity of the bike is 17 litres. The seat height is 770 millimeters, so it's not that high. It's a 149.8cc engine, single overhead cam, water cooled. Compression rate is 12.5 to 1. As you can see from the close-up specs here, the bike will nicely cruise at 66 kilometers an hour, around 5,500 RPM, or 80 kilometers an hour is easily achievable. The bike has Bosch EFI fuel injection system. The power is 14 kilowatts, so that equates to 18.7 horsepower. Fuel economy, we've got 1.8 litres per 100 kilometers travel, or around 150 miles per gallon. So with a 17 litre tank, the tank range should be around 800 kilometers or 500 miles. The bike has Eco and Sports mode, has dual channel ABS, Bosch, comes in spoked or alloy wheels, electronic key, electronic opening of the fuel tank and seat lock, has mode switches on the LCD display, so you can switch as tyre pressure monitoring system, dual USB at 2.1 amp and a slipper clutch. Just some basic specs for you there about the bike. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on our latest content. This is Mad Mick signing off.